Let us start the cleaning process of cleaning the cellular memories by talking to the body. These are the memories which are replaying as physical, psychological health issues, as the financial relationship issues, many kind of the issues or difficulties you're experiencing. I request all of you to just close your eyes and observe your breathing. No need to change the rhythm of the breathing. Just observe the breathing, inhaling through nostrils, exhaling through nostrils. Now take your attention to your body, starting from top of your head to the toes of your feet. Just see how the body feels. Just feel the presence of the body. How it feels. See that your whole body is relaxed. If you find any part of the body is not relaxed, or any part, if you find any kind of stiffness or pain or discomfort, gently touch that part of the body or take your attention to that part of the body and say, thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. See that your whole body is relaxed. You're sitting in a comfortable position. If you wish, you can change the position you are sitting and see that you're totally relaxed. Now just take a deep breath, slowly and comfortably breathe in and slowly and comfortably breathe out. No need to do anything. Let the thoughts come and go. It is the nature of the mind to be busy with thinking. You just focus on your breathing, slowly breathing in and slowly breathing out. With every exhalation, your body is getting more and more relaxed. You are relaxed. Now take all your attention to the little beautiful and adorable toes of your feet. Just see how the toes of your feet feels. Take all your attention to the toes of the feet. If you wish, you can gently touch your toes. Feel their presence. Say, thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. Whether you are talking to your body is the first time or you have already done, it doesn't matter. It is not so difficult. You just follow the guidelines. Now coming to the dorsal part of the feet, upper part of the feet, taking all your attention to the dorsal part of the feet. Say thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. Acknowledge this part of the body. Acknowledge for all its contributions. Now coming to the soles of the feet, the bottom of the feet. You can gently touch this part of the body, soles of the feet. Say thank you, I love you. Thank you for all your contribution. Thank you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now coming to the heels. Heels are the part of the body. At times you experience as they are rough or cracked. Whatever the stubbornness you have, it will be displayed in the heels. Now taking all your attention to this part of the body, heels. Acknowledge this part of the body and say thank you. I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Coming with above, coming to the ankles. Ankles are a part of the body. These are the small bones, the small bone connecting at the ankle, which is taking the entire weight of your body. Just acknowledge this part of the body. Say thank you. I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Coming above the shin bones and the calf muscles. Shin bones, the front part, the shin bones. Shin bones are the part of your body which doesn't have any cushion or buffering. Whenever it hits, whenever something hurts, it hurts like anything. Just acknowledge this part of the body, shin bones, taking all your attention to this part of the body and say thank you. I love you. Coming backside, the calf muscles. Calf muscles are the part of the body where all the emotional hurts are stored. Many times you must have found that without any physical activity or without any specific reason, there is a pain in the calf muscles. It is because of the all the stored emotions, thoughts. Acknowledge this part of the body, calf muscles, and say thank you. I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Coming above to the knees front and back, the entire knee portion, taking all your attention to the knees. Knees are the part of your body which helps you to move forward. When it comes to moving forward and the resistance in life doesn't go hand in hand. Many kind of resistance in the hand leads to issues in the knee joints. Just for time being, keep all your judgments, thoughts, feelings, emotions related to any kind of resistance about anything in your life. Just for time being, keep all the things aside and acknowledge this part of the body, knees, and say thank you. I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Coming above to the thighs. Thighs are the part of your body which are subjected to a lot of judgment. Many times you think that the thighs are strong or weak, thighs are bulky, thighs are beautiful, not so beautiful. Whatever the judgments you have about the thighs, just for time being, keep all your judgments aside safely and acknowledge this part of your body and say thank you. I love you. I am sorry for all the judgments about you. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Then coming to the hip bone, hips, the lower part of your body, the genitals, excretory system, the rectum. This is one of the most creative parts in your body. And many times we are not just few times, many times we are judging this part of the body where the hip joints or the excretory system, the rectum, genitals. This part of the body is subject to a lot of judgments. We judge a lot. Since the beginning of your childhood, maybe even at the when you are at the age of 3 years, child or 5 years age, parents or someone must have told that you have heard. Instead of this girl baby, if we had boy, it would be better. instead of this boy, if we had a baby girl, it would be better. And that is stored in your subconscious mind, causing the issues related to genitals, respiratory system, the reproductive system. And what are the judgments we have about the gender, the sex, whether you want to be male or you want to be female. If you think it is good about being a male or being a female, whatever the judgments, thoughts, feelings, emotions, calculations, or beliefs you have about the gender, the sex, sexuality, genitals, just for time being, I request all of you to keep all your judgments aside and just acknowledge this part of the body, saying thank you, I love you. It is just a part of your body as important as your eyes, ears, or any other organ in your body. It is only your judgments which are causing all the issues related to this. Taking all your attention to this part of the body, thank you, I love you. When you express your love and gratitude, you can see that part of the body is getting more and more relaxed. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And then coming to the lower back. Lower back is a part of the body which helps you to sit. It is the support system for your life. Not only when you're sitting, it is not only for the body, for your entire position, wherever whichever the position you are in life now. And whenever there is any kind of difficulty or discomfort, pain in low back, it is because of the any kind of unforgiveness, non-supportive. When you acknowledge this part of the body, you are helping this part of the body to release all the memories which are replaying as any kind of unforgiveness, hatred, or the low back issues. Now taking all your attention to the low back, say thank you, I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Coming to the front part of the body, lower abdomen, taking all your attention to the lower abdomen, say thank you, I love you. And then coming to the middle back, whenever you sit anywhere, you need some support to relax yourself. Middle back is helping you by giving support. Whenever it comes to back spinal, it is the ancestral memories which are causing any kind of difficulties or issues in spinal cord, the back. Now you just acknowledge this part of the body and say, thank you, I love you. Taking all your attention to the middle back. Thank you, I love you. And then coming to the front part, the abdomen, the upper abdomen, where the solar plexus is there, the stomach, digestive system, small intestine, large intestine. When it comes to abdomen, lower abdomen, upper abdomen, there are many organs in this part of the body, like liver, pancreas, kidneys, digestive system, reproductive system, and all these systems are working for you on autopilot mode without your conscious effort. They are working on autopilot mode, working in a perfect way for you. Now you just acknowledge this part of the body, these organs, and say, thank you, I love you. Express your gratitude and love for all these organs which are working for you on autopilot mode non-stop 24/7. That too, they are working in a 100% perfect way. Digestive system, thank you, I love you. Digestive system has stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Thank you, I love you. It is not only the food you are taking. Whenever you swallow any kind of judgments, thoughts, feelings, emotions, thoughts, either the thoughts of yours or others, whenever you accept and swallow, that leads to the whenever you digest anything that goes to the stomach and causes ulcer, stomach related issues. When you acknowledge this part of the body, ask its forgiveness, you are releasing all the memories and the stored emotions in the stomach. Digestive system, thank you, I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Coming to the pancreas, which is taking the responsibility of maintaining the glucose level in your body by producing the sufficient insulin whenever it's required. Pancreas, thank you, I love you. Liver is a part of the body which is metabolizing any kind of chemical you're taking in the form of medicine, drugs, or any preserved food, any kind of chemical that has to go through the liver. Thank you, I love you. Kidneys, thank you, I love you. The entire abdomen, lower abdomen, upper abdomen, and all the organs. Thank you, I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Now coming to the upper back. Upper back is a part of the body where all the emotions of burden stored. Taking all your attention to this part of the body, upper back. Thank you. I love you. Then coming to the front part, the chest position. Chest portion is the part of the body where the heart chakra is there, respiratory system, circulatory system, the heart is there. Acknowledge this part of the body and say thank you. I love you. Then coming to the shoulders. Shoulders are the part of the body which are bearing the burden, all the burdens we have, shouldering the burdens. Just acknowledge this part of the body, saying thank you, I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And then coming to the neck and the throat. Taking all your attention to the neck and the throat, where the throat chakra is there, which is about expressing your inner voice. Say thank you. I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And then coming to the hands, the biceps. Acknowledge this beautiful part of your body and say thank you. I love you. The elbows, which gives you support. Thank you. I love you. Forearms. Forearms are the part of the body which represents your respect, the self-esteem, self-respect. For example, if someone is pulling you by holding your forearm, it is that you're feeling the disrespect. Just acknowledge this part of the body and release all the stored emotions, memories of any kind stored in the forearms by saying thank you, I love you. And coming to the wrist, palms, fingers. The palms are the part of your body where a lot of energy exchange is going on. Whenever you give something, whenever you receive something, whenever you gift something, whenever you receive something as gift, along with the material thing, the energy exchange is there between you and the other person. It is happening through your palms. And palms are the part of your body which you can use to create your life or to destroy one life. It's all in your hands, my palms. Just for time being, acknowledge this part of the body, wrist, palms, the fingers, till the fingertips and the nails, and say thank you, I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Then coming to the head, back of the head, the skull. Just acknowledge this part of the body and say thank you. I love you. Coming to the top of the head. When it comes to back of the head and the top of the head, whenever there is headache, it is because of the incessant thinking, the thoughts, the confusion. Just acknowledge this part of the body and say thank you, I love you. If you wish, you can touch this part of the body. Say, if I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Then coming to the face. Now I request all of you to close your eyes and face with both the palms. Cover whole face with the palms. Just look into yourself how beautiful you are. You are such a unique person. The divine gift. Divinity has given you gift of this body, gift of this life. Just look into yourself and see how beautiful you are. It is not about your judgments or judgments of others. Who you are, what you are. When it comes to facial muscles, there are a lot of emotions stored in the facial muscles. Whenever we want to show up something else, even you are going through some stress or difficulty, you don't want to show up. You just want to hide that emotion. You want to show up peaceful or happy. And all these stored emotions are stored in the facial muscles. Just for time being, acknowledge this part of the body, the facial muscles, and say thank you. I love you. Starting from forehead. Thank you. I love you. Eyes, my dear eyes. Thank you. I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive. Thank you. I love you. Then coming to the nose, she is helping you to identify the difference in the smells. Acknowledge this part of the body. Don't try to imagine yourself without the nose. It is such a part of the body which is making you look so beautiful and handsome. Just acknowledge the nose and say thank you. I love you. The cheeks, thank you. I love you. The lips, the mouth, teeth, tongue, thank you. I love you. Chin, thank you. I love you. Under the chin, thank you. I love you. Now coming to the ears. Ears are the part of the body which you can hear all the beautiful things. Acknowledge this part of the body and say, thank you. I love you. Now taking your attention to the whole body, entire body. Just see how the body feels. Just feel the presence of the body. How beautiful it is, how relaxed, how wonderful. My dear body, thank you. I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Just embrace yourself, cross your hands, and hug yourself as if you hug someone else. It is not about being loved by other person. You need to love yourself. Just embrace yourself and love. My dear body, thank you. I love you. Whatever the love you're expecting from other person, other people, you just express to yourself. My dear body, thank you. I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now you just for a while keep both the feet on the ground if you are sitting on a chair so that you are connected to the Mother Earth. So wherever you are sitting, there keep your feet on the ground. From there you are connected to the ground floor of the building. From there to the Mother Earth. As Mother Earth is part of your family, express your gratitude and love. My dear Earth, thank you. I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now taking your attention to the person who has given the gift of this body, the mother and the father, the parents. It doesn't matter if the parents are with you or not with you, whether they're kind or unkind, supportive, it doesn't matter. As they have given the gift of this body, be thankful to them. Thank you. I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Expressing gratitude to all the people in your life, your siblings, relatives, family members, friends, neighbors, colleagues, customers, clients, all the known and unknown people in our life. Express your gratitude. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you. I love you. I love you all. Be thankful to each and every person in your life. Before closing the cleaning process, express your gratitude to the person who has given this opportunity. There is only one person who can give the gift or the opportunity, the divine, the divinity, the universal creator. We just see that you are in a place of prayer, the sacred place, you are in a temple, church, or mosque, whichever the place you believe as a sacred place. And see that in front of you is the divine form, whichever the form you believe in. Divine has different forms. Different people call the divinity in different names. We just see that as per your faith, as per your belief, whichever the form you believe in, whichever the form you trust as the divine, that form is in front of you in that sacred place. And this is not just a statue. The form, divine form is alive in the human body. Whether it is a male or female form, that is your choice. And now you just say that you are going down to the feet of the divine. You just surrender yourself to the divine, the divinity, saying thank you, I love you. Thank you for giving the gift of this body. Thank you for the gift of this life. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity of healing and cleaning myself by thinking of you. Thank you. Thank you for all your blessings in my life. Thank you very much. Thank you. Before closing the meditation, if you want anything to convey to the divine divinity, you can convey and try to surrender to the divine. Once it is done, you can open your eyes.